Hello and welcome to Just Got Bitcoin. We have what we feel is the most phenomenal, awesome, colossal income opportunity and opportunity to amass massive amounts of Bitcoin ever conceived. And we're not just saying that to hype you. Let's begin. Again, welcome to JustGotBitcoin.com. This is you. This is your sponsor. And here's how it works. You're going to make your first sale. Your first sale is going to be Mary. Mary passes up to your sponsor. This is the only time you will ever pass up any sale. You are qualified for life. Anything that ever hits your business again, any sale whatsoever, you get paid. Now what we pay out is 0.01 Bitcoin for each sale. Now understand, we pay out 100% of the product sale to members. We also pay out a 100% matching bonus to infinity to our field as well. You pass up, again, your very first sale, and that's going to be Mary. You pass that sale, pass Mary up to your sponsor. And it is very important to keep in mind that everything expands to infinity wide and deep. Infinity wide and infinity deep. The whole premise behind what we're doing here is creating what we call Bitcoin power centers. Each additional sale after your first that you bring into the business creates a Bitcoin power center for you. Basically, when they decide to create a power center for you, you will get 0.01 Bitcoin for each one of them. They will basically create a Bitcoin power center, and they will have a door to their Bitcoin power center. Every time they let someone through the door, this is Bob, Dave, and Jill. Each one is a Bitcoin power center for short, and it's a power center for you. Let's say Dave came on board, 0.01 Bitcoin came to you. Jill created a power center, 0.01 Bitcoin came to you. That's roughly about $10, maybe slightly under, or it could be dramatically a lot more than $10. But in any case, 0.01, or as many like to say 0.01. I may say both, but they mean one and the same. So let's continue with this example. Anyone that comes into your business or comes into Bob's business, that allows Bob to go out and create his own power center. But before he does, he's left something very special for you. He's left you a door to a power center. Bob created a power center for you, a Bitcoin power center. So anybody that walks through that door is going to pay you 0.01 Bitcoin. Let's say Bob goes out and gets his first person because he wants to go out and create his own power centers. Remember, that's going to be like Bob passing up his first power center to the sponsor there, just like you passed up your first power center person to your sponsor. You passed up Mary. Bob's going to do the same thing, and then he's going to move out. So Bob brings on a person. They walk through Bob's power center door. 0.01 Bitcoin coin goes directly to you. Same thing with Dave. Dave wants to move out. What must he do? He must qualify. In order to do that, he must bring one person in to his sponsor. And you, in this case, you're Dave's sponsor. You're also Jill's sponsor. They both want their own business. So they want to move out, and they must pass up that one qualifying Bitcoin power center sale to you. Now, what happens is that when Bob passed up a person, that person that Bob passed up now walks through the door of this power center. The power centers never go anywhere. They stay there for life, to infinity, forever. And anybody that ever walks into that door, and they will, because that person that's owning that particular power center at the moment wants to qualify and create their own power centers. So when they come through, they pass up a sale in order to move out. They pass up a sale directly to you, so the power center stays. So at this point, you've got 3 power centers using the power of 4. We're going to expand this particular example to include 10 power centers. Let's say over time you've created 10 power centers, and each one is going to send 0.01 Bitcoin directly to you. When they do that, that's a total of 10, basically times the 0.01, which is going to equal roughly $100 coming directly to you. Now you've got 10 power centers across your front line, and every time someone wants to move out and create their own power centers, they send up that power center, that Bitcoin power center, directly to you. That sale, because it's gonna, these doors stay here. Power center door, power center door. Each one of these power centers, you have 10. They're gonna stay there. Each one produces one person that walks through the door, or 0.01 in Bitcoin, which goes directly to you. Times 10, that's basically $100. Now, here's where the 100% matching bonus to infinity explodes your Bitcoin wallet cash. And we like to say Bitcoin is cash, cash is Bitcoin, because they are one and the same. They buy us things, they buy us stuff. So you've got 10. Each one of these people, keep in mind, went out to create their very own power center. Well, you're going to get a 100% match of anything that walks through any of their power center doors. Let's say they all went out. You've got 10 who got 10. They have 10 power centers of their own. Well, they're now making that $100 per day, just like you were making the $100 per day from their power center, them being your power centers. Now, you're going to get 10 times the 10 power centers. So now you're not making $100 a day, you're making actually $1,000 per day from the people that walk through your power center doors. It's a phenomenal opportunity. In 30 days, that's over $30,000 in Bitcoin, of course, $30,000 per month. In a year's time, that's over $360,000. It's important to realize and understand that this is so amazingly powerful that you can create as many power centers as you would like. And they will all do the same thing to infinity. Infinity wide, as many as you like. And as others come through the door to infinity, you're going to get paid that amount of money times however many people you have in addition. So you're getting a 100% match. It is a phenomenal opportunity. Let's say you've got 20. Well, then you're going to get 20 100% matching bonuses of everything that the people that created these power centers, and when they move out, they're creating more power centers for you. You're going to get 100% matches. It's a phenomenal opportunity, guys. One that you definitely do not want to miss. Get on board now.